In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Discord on PC. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end you'll have Discord up and running on your Windows computer. Start by opening your favorite web browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type discord.com/download and press Enter. This is the official Discord download page, which helps ensure you're getting the correct, safe installer. On that page, click the button that says Download for Windows. Your browser will begin saving a file, usually called discordsetup.exe. If you're asked where to save it, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. As an alternative, you can also install Discord from the Microsoft Store if you'd prefer managing apps through the store. Both methods give you the same app. Once the download finishes, it's time to run the installer. If your browser shows the download at the bottom or top of the window, click it there. If not, open your Downloads folder and double-click discordsetup.exe. Windows may show a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Choose Run or Yes to continue. The installer will handle everything automatically, including downloading any additional components it needs from the internet. You don't need to click through a bunch of options, just let it complete. Depending on your connection, this might take a minute or two, so be patient and keep the window open until it finishes. After installation, Discord should open on its own. If it doesn't, you can launch it from your Start menu by typing Discord into the search bar and opening the app from the results. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your existing account to sync your servers and settings. If you keep Discord open, it will check for updates automatically, so you always have the latest features and security fixes without needing to reinstall anything. That's all there is to it. We went to the official download page, saved the installer, ran it with the required permissions, and then opened Discord to log in. If you opted for the Microsoft Store instead, the process is similarly straightforward and updates are handled for you in the background. With Discord now installed, you're ready to join your servers, start voice chats, and message your friends right from your PC. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly installed Discord.